You look so handsome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're the best ring bearer on the planet. Anything else you want to say?